Hello, and welcome to Skye. And we are out and about in the north part of Skye, heading up to see the Old Man of Storr, which is ahead of me. But behind me, fantastic views. Wouldn't believe it was chucking it down with rain earlier this morning. Grey skies, couldn't see a thing. And now it's like this. Just shows how quickly the weather can change. So it's a very good path, but there are a lot of people on it. But you can see why it's spectacular.
Till the sky was falling, held my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you'd wake me with a kiss like this. Waiting till the sky was falling, held my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you'd wake me with a kiss like this.
So, Johnny's caught me up. Look at that. The Old Man of Storr behind us. It really is fabulous.
What a good day as well.
It's a fantastic day. Yeah, it's not a long walk. We've just come up, had a look at this, and we'll go back down. But it's worth it for the view. Slightly less crowded up here. Very crowded down below. Well, it's an amazing place. Stunning views. We're so lucky with the weather. Just heading back down now. And there's a weather front coming in, so I hope I make it back to the van before that hits.